we have to encourage the humus in the soil. And another way, beside putting compost in, which only has a half-life of a couple of years in the soil before it disappears again, it has rotted down and turned into either methane or carbon dioxide. We need to put more solid forms of carbon in, and biochar is a very good way of doing it. Naturally, biochar is put in the soil by worms drawing down dead matter to decompose, by roots and things of plants dying in the soil. They're putting it in, but if we can actually put in biochar, which has a half-life of somewhere around about 1,000 years, we can actually speed up the improvement of the soil. And as we get more carbon in the soil, the carbon works to make the soil hold water better, so that we don't need so much rain in order to grow crops. It also holds the nutrients that plants can use in a form that they can be collected by various fungi and things, so the plants can use them, but they don't get washed away. So if you could get a sensible amount of carbon into the soil, your crops won't need as much fertilizer. And one of the troubles with chemical fertilizers is that they mostly manage to kill the microbes which manage to fix the nitrogen. And the other thing that's needed in the soil, besides the carbon, and is normally fixed by different microbes, is nitrogen. And so if you put in artificial fertilizers, you're killing the soil rather than bringing it back to life. So if you can put in a mixture of compost and biochar, it will improve it. And the biochar is better if it's been inoculated with various forms of life before it's put in. So if you mix the biochar with compost, 1 part biochar to 4 parts compost, you end up with a mixture which is even better than either one or the other. And it also will slowly build up, because the biochar element is with a half-life of 1,000 years. If you put in just a small amount each year, it will slowly build up until you get your 12 to 15%, which is what you're looking for.